geometry. I'm in the middle of a little job here. We just moved, and you see this light, or this light switch? Why do they have the light switch on the outside of the room that you want to turn it on? That's crazy. So I want the light switch to be inside the bathroom. So I'm moving that around right now. But hey, while I'm doing this, let's have a little lesson. It's section 3 of chapter 7, and it's on angle similarity, they call it. Remember last time we talked about two polygons are similar if you can do some kind of series of transformations and have them match up with each other. If you can rotate them, translate them, dilate them, whatever, and if they end up matching up together, then you know they're similar. So that's a good way to, for two triangles, that's a good way to test. But there's also shortcuts, okay? And one of the shortcuts one of the shortcuts for triangles is called angle similarity. Basically what it says is that if two triangles have two angles that are congruent, then you know the two triangles are going to be similar. It's impossible to have two triangles with two angles that are congruent and have them not be similar, basically. Okay? And I think they even give you a theorem, that's theorem 7.1. No, sorry, it's not theorem. It's postulate 7.1 that two angles, the same as two other angles in a triangle, and then the whole triangle similar, okay? So that's the first thing. The second thing is just kind of laying some basics for you. And I forgot what theorem this is. Just a second, let me check. This is theorem 7.2. And it says that if, well, it basically just lays kind of like the foundation that we did for angles, and I can't remember else what we did with it, but it says that there is a transitive property of similar triangles. There's a reflexive property of similar triangles, and there is an equality triangle. So a smaller triangle is similar to a bigger triangle. That's reflexive. Sorry, I'm messing this up because I'm trying to work. If you have the smaller triangle similar to the bigger triangle, then you can switch that around. You can say the bigger triangle is similar to the smaller triangle. That's reflexive. And then the last one is, let's say you had three triangles. Smaller is similar to medium. And then medium is similar to big. Then smaller is similar to big. That's the transitive property. And you can use those to prove different things. And they're going to have you do that as we go through, but I wanted you to know that those are there. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. Ooh, look at that ugly stuff. I see why that was covered up. Okay, I'll let you know how my little lighting project goes here. But you get back to relaxing. Okay. Okay, people. After 3 hours of work, I have a switch that is inside the room. Do you see how I had to match that little hole so it doesn't show? Let me give you a little preview here. Come inside, right there, switch, and it works. Okay, now I'm done.